Hello to everyone watching us today. It's a pleasure to be here with you today. At AC Plus Tech, we've built a community and a searchable database of the latest products and their case studies, connecting the architecture, engineering, and construction companies with all the latest technologies shaping the industry. I also speak frequently at AC technology events and conferences, online and in person. 10 years ago, when Ars Kudo started, the cloud was just an emerging trend in AC. Most firms still relied on desktop software, and the idea of running CAD on a web browser felt like a distant future. But in reality, we've been using cloud-based services for much longer. Gmail launched in 2004, Google Docs in 2006, and online banking has been a standard for years. So the cloud is already a fundamental part of our daily lives. Yet the AEC industry has been very slow to embrace it, especially compared to other industries like manufacturing, where tools like Onshape and other tools are already the norm. So it's time for AEC to catch up. Because firstly, cloud-based tools, including Cloud CAD, aren't just desktop software moved into a browser. They go beyond that. They improve collaboration, security, and efficiency. If you've used Google Docs, Salesforce, Slack, or GitHub, you know what I'm talking about. Secondly, the way we work as AC professionals has also changed. Since COVID, remote and hybrid work have become the norm. And many of us, most people, at least part-time work from home. So more teams now need real-time collaboration tools, and cloud native tools are not just nice to have, they are pretty essential. At AC Plus Tech, we've explored many powerful cloud-based design and project management tools. But there is one big gap: creating drawings. Right now, teams often have to switch to traditional, expensive desktop software just to finalize their drawings, breaking the cloud workflow. What's missing here is a seamless cloud native solution for this step. And that's exactly where Ars Kudo comes in, bridging the gap and making the entire process from design to documentation smoother and more efficient. Last year, I wrote a full product review on the Beam drawing automation features in Ars Commander. And this year, I was very excited to test these features in Ars Kudo. You can read more about my product review on AEC Magazine and on AC Plus Tech. I believe that the convergence of the automation technologies with the online CAD features in Ars Kudo is unlocking many interesting use cases. Ars Kudo is making CAD more accessible by bringing it to the web browser, making it easier for AC professionals to work from anywhere instead of being tied into a specific device or dealing with complicated file transfers. You can open a drawing, make edits, and collaborate with your team in real time, just like using Google Docs. One of very most interesting features is the drawing automation. This means you can take Beam data and automatically generate drawings, plans, sections, and elevations without having to manually add labels and dimensions. Since it reads building data rather than just geometry, it can speed up documentation while reducing the risk of errors. For me as an architect, and also for engineers and project managers, this means spending less time on repetitive tasks and more time on design and decision making. For developers, it offers a flexibility to integrate cloud-based CAD and automation into their own platforms. So I think as more AEC tools move to the cloud, solutions like RScudo are helping to streamline workflows and improve collaboration. While traditional CAD software still plays a role, but web-based options are opening up many new possibilities for how teams work together and manage their projects. With that, I'm handing it back to Cedric and Robert to walk us through the latest innovations in RScudo. Thank you.